Here we will write a Python program for swapping of two variables using function. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define function with def keyword swapping with two parameters. Then we will define original values of the variables as x comma y. Then we will define one variable temp which is initialized with 0, and then we will store value of x in temp. So temp equal to x. Then we will assign x equal to y and y equal to temp. And after this we will print values after swapping as x comma y. And then we will accept two variable values from user. So n1 equal to int input enter first number, and n2 equal to int input enter second number. Then we will call our function swapping, and we will pass n1 and n2 as a parameter. Then we will save it as swapping and we will execute it. I will enter first number as 23, second number as 54. It will print original values as 23, 54 and values after swapping 54, 23.